would now like to invite my colleagues Ankur Kharbanda and Dr. Babatosh to launch the product with me.
All the trouble will vanish away because Max Bupa is spearheading the rise of New Dawn Max Bupa Stitches. Dawn of a new sun to be the guiding light. Who doesn't ask for more? But Max Bupa just keeps giving much more, plus 6 features. Reassure. Unlimited reinstatement of sum insured. Booster benefit. Doubles the sum insured in 2 claim-free years. 30-minute cashless claims processing. Safeguard features. Truly cashless. Coverage for consumables as well. Live healthy benefit. Incentivizing healthy living. Health checkup starting from day 1. We present to you Reassure that keeps giving you more.
Congratulations on the launch of Reassure, the product that keeps giving more, and all the very best.
Wow, what an innovative launch it was. Thank you so much, Mr. Ramachandran, Mr. Kharbanda and Dr. Mishra for setting a new milestone with features like booster benefit, 30 minutes cashless claims, safeguard features and live healthy benefits. It will surely prove to be the ultimate troubleshooter for all the challenges that everyone faces. To tell us a little more about the features of this revolutionary product, may I take this opportunity of inviting on stage the man who has put his heart and soul into creating it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Dr. Babatosh Mishra, the Director Claims, Underwriting and Product, Max Bupa. Give it up everyone for Dr. Mishra.
Namaskar everyone. Welcome to the first ever digital blockbuster product launch. Thank you all for making it today. Let's witness what we have in store for all of us. Before I begin, don't you realize, and I'm sure all of us agree, that our world has changed. We live in a very different time today than ever. And that change is COVID. The world has become very challenging today, ever more. There's so much of concern about who's safe and who's not, so much of uncertainty. We have going through various types and various phases of lockdown. There is generally a lot of gloomy environment with loss of income for many. Work from home environment having come with a lot of challenges of its own. And generally speaking, there's an element of strong fear in all our minds. Let me give you this very important story about COVID. Dr. Sharma in Delhi, and of course we have changed the name, got admitted to a very big hospital, Max Hospital in Delhi in the month of June with COVID. Few days later, his treating doctor realized that the condition is deteriorating and he was put on ventilator support. Medicines, investigations, constant monitoring in the ICU continued for several days. After a prolonged period of hospitalization, the good news is that he came back, he recovered as a winner, having defeated COVID. Now, Dr. Sharma is our COVID warrior. Dr. Sharma is our COVID fighter. and a winner. But as he recovered, something strange hit him. His medical bills have run up to almost 10 lakhs. And worst of all, his wife and child had already tested positive. Not every story is as good as Dr. Sharma, that people fight and win against COVID. And not every story is as bad. Having wife and children, imagining they will go through the same process, perhaps hospitalization and so much of pain and so much of uncertainty and fear. The world has changed due to this pandemic, my friends. Customers today need a health plan that is ready not just for today, but for future as well. Presenting to all of you, unveiling Reassure, a health plan that keeps giving more. Reassure gives that little extra, that more protection to win against COVID. Let's see how. No more waiting for 30 days to make a claim for COVID. Just 15 days waiting period, COVID is covered. Max Bupa, we have always stood by our promise, 30 minutes cashless approval. COVID claim under the plan will not impact the cumulative bonus that is hard earned by our customers. You all are concerned about this. Reassure pays for PPEs and other consumable items. Reassure always gives you more to win against COVID-19, and the saga continues. Get more coverage than ever with the Reassure benefit. How does it work? No need to wait till the entire sum insured is consumed and over. Gets triggered with the first claim itself. No restriction for any person or any disease. No limitation. Every disease covered for every person insured. And what's more, Reassure is unlimited. You will never fall short of sum insured or protection to fight against COVID. Claim as many times as needed. Let me give you an example. Let's look at how it happens. You know, COVID is a highly infectious disease. You know stories that when one person in a family gets diagnosed with it, very highly likely that other people living together also are likely to get test positive. Let's take an example. Worst shouldn't happen to anybody, but we should know that we have bought this plan at the first place so that we never run out of protection. Let's say the husband in the policy claims because of hospitalization, the first claim is 10 lakhs. In a plan where he has purchased a base plan of 10 lakhs, the first claim will be paid for entire 10 lakhs. Comes the next claim, a family member, let's say spouse. Remember, with the first claim, Reassure benefit has already been triggered. So the wife claim gets a coverage up to 10 lakhs. Even if a third or fourth member in the family gets COVID or any other disease, they would also claim up to 10 lakhs. So here's Reassure, that is the most potent thing that helps our customers fight against COVID and any other condition. Let me talk about booster benefit. Very simple benefit, extremely simple. 2 claim-free years, double the sum insured. Every claim-free year, the sum insured goes up by 50%. Next claim-free year, again 50%. God forbid if there is a claim, sum insured comes down by the same 50%. Base sum insured is always maintained, never goes below the base sum insured. And all this with no extra cost. Reassure gives more for those who live a healthy life as well. No waiting for availing health checkup benefit. Take the policy from day one, you can claim the health checkup benefit. No waiting at all. Why wait till the renewal? The second very powerful benefit called Live Healthy benefit simply take steps that can earn up to 30% discount on the renewal premium. Isn't that amazing? We have factored in tremendous amount of saving. More discounts. Take it for 2 years, 7.5% discount on the second year premium. Take it for 3 year tenure, 15% discount on the third year premium. Our doctors are our corona warriors. They're fighting this battle day in, day out in the front line. I know, we all agree. We can never appreciate them enough. But as a token of appreciation, a 5% extra discount for our doctors. 2 or more family members covered in one policy, a family discount up to 10%. Discount at renewal by simply giving a standing instruction for renewal, 2.5% on renewal premium, and as I said, live healthy benefits simply by taking steps can get 30%, up to 30% of discount on the renewal premium. Of course, everybody gets tax savings through Section 80D of Income Tax Act. Why pay the premium for Delhi where healthcare is so expensive if you're living in Dibrugarh? So the premium is basis your location, just simple 2 zones. And here's the most important interesting thing. No co-payment while getting treatment anywhere in the India. While you pay for the premium where you live, you're open to take treatment in the best of the hospitals, any corner of this country. Let me introduce to you an additional benefit. This benefit allows us to go truly cashless. You would know people who go to hospital, insurance policies do not pay for everything. There is a certain deduction. This additional benefit called Safeguard can make the plan go truly cashless. Safeguard the claim. There is zero depreciation for your Gadi, but what about your own body? Introducing you zero depreciation, 100 rupees claimed, 100 rupees paid. That's safeguard of your claim. It safeguards the value of your sum insured for all years to come. Inflation, we know, is eating up your sum insured gradually. So when the year goes by, are we paying more and more premium for less and less sum insured? Safeguard protects against that. It protects the value of the sum insured. Let's say in this example, any year, the government announced a consumer price index, that's simply inflation by X percentage. Next year, sum insured will be increased by the same percentage. You may wonder, what if the inflation becomes negative anywhere? It doesn't drop. It stays where it is for negative inflation years. 2 claim-free years, double the sum insured, but what small claims will eat away into this? No more. With Safeguard, up to 50,000 rupees of claims made in a year will not in fact booster benefit at all. It will still move up and it will not go down if it is at a certain level. Isn't that very powerful benefit? Safeguard protects the wealth. And what's more, no medical test for any sum insured at any age. Let me quickly take you through some of the benefit lists. Inpatient care, long pre-post hospitalization with 60 and 180 days. I've spoken about reassured benefit, booster benefit, live healthy benefit, preventive health checkup from day 1. Let me catch a breath. It covers all modern treatments that are available. There is cash benefit for shared accommodation. Emergency ambulance covers not just road ambulance but air ambulance as well. Home care treatment covered, daycare treatment covered, domiciliary treatment covered, alternative treatment covered, living organ donor transplant covered, second medical opinion covered, and wide sum insured up to 1 crore available under the plan. 3 amazing additional benefits. I have spoken about Safeguard, but also you get personal accident cover for accidental death and disabilities, and hospital daily cash with just 1 tick box in the buying process. I know you will be very curious to know how much it would cost. Let's look at somebody who is a 35-year-old person buying for self only. For a 10 lakh sum insured, the premium is just 9,590 rupees. When self and spouse are covered, let's say they are in the same age band, the premium drops to 17,262 rupees, not double, because I told you 2 and more people, a family discount of 10% is applicable. A family floater policy for 2 adults and 1 child costs just 18,489 rupees, and I have not yet factored all the other discounts that are available, which is 10-year discount, 7.5% on second year, 15% on third year premium, doctor discount of 5% at renewal, standing instruction gets 2.5% discount on the renewal premium, and earn up to 30% discount on the Live Healthy benefit. So thank you very much for being a wonderful patient audience. Once again, there's more in store. Please stay focused.